If you need to recover your BNY Mellon account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the BNY Mellon website. Go to the official BNY Mellon website. Look for the login section and click on the option for account recovery or forgot password. Step 2. Provide your account information. Enter the required information such as your username or email address associated with your account. This is necessary for the system to identify your account. Step 3. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery option. This may include answering security questions or receiving a recovery email. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have verified your identity through the chosen method, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your BNY Mellon account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BNY Mellon customer support for further assistance.